Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Tesla Cybertruck in LEGO 2K Drive. Start by collecting a small set of silver plates, hinge pieces, and robust wheels. Then build a low rectangular chassis, add angled side panels, and construct a wedge-shaped cab. Keep proportions simple so the truck remains drivable in-game, and tweak the wheelbase for stable turns while retaining the Cybertruck silhouette. Work methodically by assembling the chassis first, then mounting the axles and wheels to ensure reliable handling. Build upward with sloped panels to create the iconic angular cab and secure panels with hinge bricks for crisp edges. Keep interior weight low and test drive frequently in LEGO 2K Drive, adjusting wheel spacing and panel angles until the truck steers smoothly and the shape reads clearly from a distance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up after LEGO sessions effortless, and it navigates around toys and scattered bricks with surprising care. Check the description for the link and other deals, hit subscribe if you want more builds, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on minor adjustments that improve both looks and performance. Flatten surfaces with tiles to achieve a clean aesthetic, and check that weight is balanced between front and rear for predictable handling. Swap in larger rear tires if the truck understeers, and trim excess height to lower the center of gravity. Finally, personalize with small details like lights or stickers so your Cybertruck stands out in LEGO 2K Drive races and free roam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.